How to buy ODOS token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following up updates about this token. And to be able to buy this token is available on CoinGitsco. As you can see, if you go to contracts, you can copy the token address here. As you can see, this token address, it came under the base network. Now open your wallet. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now select the base as a network from here and click on this plus icon. Now after that, paste the token address as you can see, and this is our token. Just click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find it. And after that, as you can see, this is our wallet, our token, sorry. Just click on it. Now after that, click on swap, switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. And after that, just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the ODOS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.